In compute sum method, the can count, bottle count, the count of each item is set to 0 initially, and then in this for loop, if the size of the item is less than 0, the I is incremented, and here it is taken to the variable item which is in the deposit item, and in the receipt, since the index should start from number 1, it is I plus 1 here, and the item name is displayed with the method item get name, and item number is displayed, and item value is displayed. And system.get property line separator is to go to the other line, go to the next line, and total items are taken here, and in this switch case, count of each item that has been added can be taken from this switch case. So if the case is a bottle, the bottle count is increased. If it is a can, then the can count will be increased. And here the total, in the receipt, in the variable receipt, the total items and the number of cans, number of bottles, the count of each item is displayed separately, and the receipt is returned even from here. And let's go to the bottle class. These are the item classes that we have in the recycling machine GUI. And in bottle class, it extends the deposit item class, and it has the construct of the bottle class is a public method, and it has the value of 18 and a weight of 10, and this get name method, it returns the name bottle in this bottle class. So the same theory applies for can and crate. Even for crate, it is the same method is applied. Weight and size, the value is taken, and it from the string get name, the name of the item, that is crate, is returned. So it is the same thing for glass bottle and paper bags. All these classes extends from the deposit item class. It contains the number, value, and the weight, and it has this public string get name method, and it actually returns the class and the name of the class, and these methods are being called within the items. Next, we will look at the printer interface. That is actually this method is used to print the receipt, and in receipt printer, this implements the printer interface, and it constructs the print and prints the string returned as a receipt, and this str, this is the string, str receipt containing all items added to my items and their total sum, and the system out print ln, it prints to the console of the Eclipse. And then this display class, that is this is for the main interface to the main GUI of the system, and in the simple tester class, actually this is for the main method, display my display equals new display. This is creating an object of the class display, and in here in the main class, actually that is the place where all the items are taken into the console by this main method. In the simple tester class, item received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is respectively can, bottle, and all the items there. Then let's look at the Java document. Let's look at the Java documents. A document has been created for each class, the bottle class. Actually, these Java docs are created using the internal web in the Eclipse. Bottle class, can class, trade class, customer panel, deposit item. For everything, a Java document is created. Else you can view the same Java doc by saving it externally, and using a browser you can view it externally too. Thank you for watching. I hope my code review was understandable, and thank you.